Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually look at Banknifty, Nifty and SENSEX. First I'll do Nifty, SENSEX because those are, this current week expiries. Last I'll cover Banknifty because a lot of you asked for that as well. Okay, so all three, they're slightly different today as per me. And let's have a look. First thing, we were trading in an inside candle, okay, in Nifty. And now I just told you yesterday, we need a closing below 24,180. Because this is the big candle low. So 24,180 ke niche, if we get a closing, it will be very good for the bears. Okay, not good for the bulls. Okay, the bulls had a good time here. We gave a breakout, but then it's falling off now. We have to didn't sustain the breakout basically. Okay, so that's one point you have to look at. Now to go long, what are you going to look at? So first thing is a Fed policy, I think tomorrow. So whenever there's a policy like this, never ever hold any overnight positions because the risk is just way too high. Like even some far away option, if there's a big gap tomorrow, which there's a good chance it may happen. So the loss can be very, very high. Okay, so let's not mess around with that. So on the daily chart now, see, if you want to play like bullish, we need a breakout above these two resistances. Okay, one good candle on the bullish side, which doesn't seem like we'll get, okay, soon now, at least in the next 2-3 days. And on the downside, we can get a bearish candle below the Friday candle's low. Okay, so keep a lookout for that because then this higher high formation will turn into a lower low. Okay, cool. 15-minute charts went up, came down. Still waiting at this zone. Okay, support hai, resistance hai. Okay, so let's see if this is broken or not. As of now, it's not broken. Okay, as per me. So tomorrow we'll come to know. If you want to go long, okay, today's high, you can draw a line there and iske upar, if it goes, this could be a swing low for you and you can try to sell options below this low and try to go long to play for the bullish side. Now, apart from that, I would suggest not to play bullish at all unless PDH is crossed. I would suggest look for bearish trades then. So this support breakdown can be a good trade, okay, to initiate tomorrow. Now looking at SENSEX, okay, what do I look in SENSEX? Yesterday we talked about same thing. This rectangle is going on right now. So we need a closing below the rectangle low. So 80,000 ke niche we need a closing. Okay, if this happens with a bearish candle, not with a bullish candle, okay, then we can say, okay, sufficiently, ye jo tha, ye resistance hai hamara, we can say that, okay. Longer time frame pe bol raha hu main, not for like 2-3 days वगैरह का. Cool. And similarly, breakout ke upar we need a green candle. That is where the bulls are going to be active. Inside this range, okay, it's going to be pretty random volatility. मतलब कुछ भी होता है ना sort of like. और इस पे मैंने देखा है all the directional traders inside a range they don't play well. Okay, 15-minute chart same went up, came down. Okay, support at the same place, resistance on the upside. Support has to break for us to initiate a breakdown ka trade, and to go long minimum we should cross the previous day's high. Okay, one green candle above this and we can try to go long with the previous day's low as a stop loss. Okay, simple. Banknifty I would say looks the worst, okay, out of all of them. Because it has given a closing below the lows of both these like bullish candles. So Banknifty looks pretty bad. But since there's tomorrow Fed policy, I don't know. There can be a gap up also. There can be a gap down also. We'll see. I will just tell you one thing. Banknifty mein, if we break today's low, look for short. But if the gap fills around 51,100, please look for going long here, not short. If the market comes down. तब तक के लिए यू कैन सर्च फॉर बेरिश ट्रेड्स अगर प्रीवियस डे लो टूट रहा है आपका तो. वरना अगर आपको बुलिश खेलना है बैंक निफ्टी में मिनिमम इट शुड बी अबव 52,800 नाउ. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नो, स्ट्रिक्ट नो फॉर बुलिश ट्रेड्स हियर. ओके, दिस इज द वर्स्ट आउट. और यहाँ पे तो ये गैप बचा भी है बैंक निफ्टी में, तो ऐसे इट कैन हैपन, इट कैन कम डाउन, फिल द गैप एंड देन ट्राई टू फॉर्म सम रेंज और देन गिव अ ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेकडाउन. देन विल सी. ओके, कूल. So that's all for today. I'm keeping these videos very short because there's not much to discuss. Because like इतना manipulation चल रहा है तो मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको. जैसे कि if I tell you to sell a call option, the call has to decay, no, intraday. If it doesn't decay, then what am I going to tell you? That's why let's actually end here and we'll see tomorrow. And the best part is from tomorrow we can start to trade Bank Nifty because Tuesday expiry है उसकी. Next Wednesday is a holiday. So we'll try to trade that and we'll see जब कब तक चालू है ये options का नाटक. अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो ठीक है, we have to reduce the volumes then and try to shift to cash trading and futures trading. Cool. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.